I am going to explain about Basis SAP tips and tricks setting. Hope this will be helpful. 1. Changes background color. To change the background color, click the display icon and go to Options. Then pick the respective color scheme. To apply color changes, you have to log out, and in order to see the changes, log back in. 2. Turn off the SAP system sound. In the background, you can hear the sound that SAP makes. In order to turn off the sound, please go to Option-Interaction Design-Sound Setting, Activate Audio Signal. And uncheck the Activate Audio Signal and then click Apply. This is the way how you can turn it off. 3. Display transaction codes in the SAP menu. In the menu, you can see only the description of the transaction but cannot see the actual transaction behind the process descriptions. Therefore, in order to see the transaction, go to Extras Settings. Now tick the check mark for the Display Technical Names option and press Enter. 4. Working with favorites. First, I will show you how you can install a folder. Therefore, go to Favorites-Insert Folder and enter a name for the folder. Now, if you want to add some transactions to a new folder, then go to Favorites Insert Transaction. Then just type the transaction name and press Enter. It will get added to the folder, into the favorites. Or you can go to SAP Menu-ABAP Workbench-. Overview, highlight the transaction you want to add as the favorite, and then click on the star button above, and then the table appears in the favorites at the top. You can drag and drop them into the folder. In order to change the description of the folder, just right-click on it and select. Now change the description and press Enter. 5. Display the current system and SAP code. The fifth trick is when you work with a different system and you want to know which system you're in and which transaction you're in. Go to System-Transaction. This is the way to bring that up. 6. Change the date format. Very often work for a company that is located, let's say, in Germany. They use different date format. I want to show you how to change the date format. This is how you do it. Go to System-User Profile User Data. Now go to Default, make the changes in the date format column, and then click the Save icon to save your changes. 7. Toggle between SAP transactions. Tapping to another transaction, let's say I'm in Me21N and want to go to code SE10, you can do that by executing /NSE10 into that transaction box. If I wanted to switch back to that Me21N, I would have to do the same thing. If I just execute SPRO, it doesn't work, then instead execute /NSPRO, and that's how you hop between different transactions. Thank you.